What's going on out there? It is the Cool Be More Trucker, and today I'm about to get back on my mentor's truck and get my training continued. So, for those of you who saw my last video, our truck broke down. It was a Volvo Tractor. It didn't really break down. We just put it in the shop because the check engine light came on, and it was there for, let's see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, so, yeah, a good portion of the week. It was there since last Friday, and the problem was the ABS sensor was bad. So they got that fixed. Volvo out there in Dunmore, PA, got it fixed, and I'm about to go meet my mentor at the Jonestown terminal in PA, and we are about to transform and roll out. So I will try to do a few videos while I'm on the road, but for now, I'm heading to Jonestown. Then from there, we ride up to New York. We'll pick up a load there, and then we're heading to Texarkana. That's right. So, I will try to do as many videos as I can. But for now, this is the Cool Be More Trucker. I am out of here. Y'all have a good one and be safe out there.